In today's fast-paced world, juggling multiple projects, teams, and deadlines can feel like trying to conduct an orchestra with tangled batons. The sheer volume of information, tasks, and communication can quickly become overwhelming, leading to missed opportunities, duplicated efforts, and ultimately project failure. This is where tools like Smartsheet step in, offering a powerful yet surprisingly accessible solution to bring order to the chaos. But what exactly is Smartsheet used for? Often described as a hybrid between a spreadsheet and a project management tool, this description, while accurate to some extent, barely scratches the surface of its capabilities. As a seasoned project management professional, I can tell you that Smartsheet is far more than just a glorified spreadsheet. It's a dynamic work management platform that empowers individuals, teams, and entire organizations to plan, track, automate, and ultimately, execute their work with unparalleled efficiency. Forget the limitations of static spreadsheets and the complexity of overly intricate project management software. Smartsheet strikes a sweet spot, offering a familiar, intuitive interface coupled with robust features that can adapt to a vast array of needs. Whether you're a small startup managing a handful of tasks or a large enterprise orchestrating complex, multifaceted projects, Smartsheet has something to offer. Let's delve deeper into the diverse applications of this versatile platform, breaking down its core functionalities and illustrating how they translate into real-world benefits. 1. The foundation: project and task management beyond simple lists. At its heart, Smartsheet excels at project and task management. It allows you to move beyond simple to-do lists and create dynamic, interconnected plans. Creating detailed project plans. Smartsheet enables you to define tasks, subtasks, dependencies, durations, and assign responsibilities with ease. The familiar spreadsheet-like interface makes it incredibly intuitive to build a comprehensive project roadmap. Visualizing progress with Gantt charts. Transforming your task lists into interactive Gantt charts is a breeze. This visual representation provides a clear overview of the project timeline, task dependencies, critical paths, and potential bottlenecks, allowing for proactive adjustments. Tracking progress in real time. Smartsheet facilitates real-time progress tracking through status updates, percentage completion indicators, and automated workflows. This ensures everyone is on the same page regarding project status and potential roadblocks. Managing resources effectively. Assigning resources, people, equipment, budget, to specific tasks and monitoring their allocation is crucial for project success. Smartsheet allows you to track resource utilization and identify potential over- or under-allocation. Setting milestones and deadlines. Defining key milestones and deadlines within your project plan provides clear targets and helps maintain momentum. Smartsheet allows you to visually track these critical points and ensure timely completion. 2. Collaboration and communication: breaking down silos. Effective collaboration is the lifeblood of any successful project. Smartsheet fosters seamless communication and collaboration within and across teams. Centralized information hub. Smartsheet acts as a single source of truth for all project-related information, eliminating the need to sift through countless emails and disparate documents. Real-time updates and notifications. Any changes or updates made within Smartsheet are instantly visible to all relevant stakeholders. Automated notifications ensure that team members are promptly informed of task assignments, deadlines, and progress updates. In-context discussions. Smartsheet allows for direct communication within the context of specific tasks or rows. This eliminates the ambiguity of separate email threads and keeps conversations focused and relevant. Sharing and permissions control. Easily share sheets, reports, and dashboards with internal and external stakeholders, while maintaining granular control over access and editing permissions. Collaborative editing. Multiple team members can work on the same sheet simultaneously, fostering real-time collaboration and streamlining the process of updating information. 3. Data collection and analysis, turning information into insights. Smartsheet isn't just about managing tasks. It's also a powerful tool for collecting, organizing, and analyzing data. Creating customizable forms. Smartsheet forms provide a simple and efficient way to collect data from various stakeholders. Whether it's gathering requirements, feedback, or survey responses, Forms can be easily created and shared. Centralized data storage. All collected data is automatically organized within your Smartsheet, eliminating the need for manual data entry and reducing the risk of errors. Generating reports and dashboards. Transform raw data into insightful reports and visually appealing dashboards. These tools provide a high-level overview of project performance, resource allocation, and key metrics, enabling data-driven decision-making. Data validation and automation. Implement data validation rules to ensure data accuracy and automate data entry processes to save time and reduce manual effort. Integration with other tools. Smartsheet seamlessly integrates with a wide range of other business applications, such as Microsoft Office 365, Google Workspace, Salesforce, and Tableau, allowing you to consolidate data from various sources. 4. Workflow automation, streamlining repetitive tasks. Automation is key to boosting efficiency and freeing up valuable time for more strategic work. Smartsheet's automation capabilities allow you to streamline repetitive tasks and processes. Setting up automated alerts and reminders. Configure automated alerts to notify team members of upcoming deadlines, overdue tasks, or changes in project status. Automated reminders ensure that critical tasks don't fall through the cracks. Creating automated approval workflows. Streamline approval processes for documents, requests, or changes with automated workflows that route items to the appropriate stakeholders for review and approval. Automating data movement. Set up rules to automatically move or copy data between sheets based on specific triggers, ensuring data consistency and reducing manual data transfer. Creating recurring tasks and schedules. Automate the creation of recurring tasks or project schedules, saving time and ensuring that regular activities are consistently managed. Integrating with third-party automation platforms. Smartsheet can be integrated with platforms like Zapier and Integromat to create even more complex and customized automation workflows. 5. Beyond the basics, expanding the horizons of Smartsheet usage. While project management forms the core of Smartsheet's utility, its flexibility extends far beyond traditional project plans. Here are some other compelling ways Smartsheet is used. Marketing campaign management. Plan, track, and execute marketing campaigns. Manage content calendars and analyze campaign performance. Sales pipeline management. Track leads, manage opportunities, and forecast sales with customizable sales pipelines. Event planning. Organize and manage all aspects of events, from venue booking and vendor management to attendee tracking and post-event analysis.